Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add tasks in Honeybook. So there are actually two ways how we can do it, but right before we go there, my recommendation is definitely click on the link down below in the description and you can get 20% off for 1 year from Honeybook. If you still didn't start paying, you can claim the discount, completely up to you, and you can save some money. So when you're going to claim the discount, you can come here and click on tools, and you can simply under productivity, under scheduling, find tasks. So that's the first way how we can do it. Click plus here, add a task, and I'm going to add a new task. So let's say this is going to be meet up with client. Then you have to choose a due date, let's say tomorrow or 10th, and project name. So YouTube channel. And then you have option to also have automation. Now that's the first way how you can actually add it. The second way, when you're going to be in projects, and here you can choose YouTube channel, and then like your project, and then you would find your project right here, the tasks, and you would click again add the tasks. And this is directly in your project. So I'm going to write here YouTube consultation and 20th October. When you have it and when you want to finish it, you just press here or press delete. And you can always find the filters here as a completed, tasks, this week, today, overdue, approvals, all of that. So that's pretty much it, and that's how we can easily add tasks in Honeybook. Now, of course, guys, you can use the link down below in the description for getting better discount. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.